Hello everyone, how to tours back with another new video. So today I'm going to share with you a app review. It's called Fanbase Monetize Content. Okay, so this is the one kind of social media platform that allows user to monetize their content. Okay, so like if you use Facebook or Twitter, Instagram, any social media, then maybe you will not get any money, but you'll create video, then you'll get money. You can monetize your content. Okay, so here you can see the app is like a 4.8 ratings. So when you get any app, the app is more than 4, so you consider that the app is really good. But the app is 4.8 ratings out of 5, so it's really amazing. And 2k reviews, it means 2000 people write something about this app. Okay, and 83 megabyte the size of the app, like 83 megabyte, and the 100 people already downloaded this app. Okay, so this is not new app, recently used like 1 year or 1.5 year ago. So we'll see some screenshot. Fanbase, so it's like other social media like interface. You can check, you can set your like you can create your account, and you can see the subscriber, followers, and you can create your video, and you will get money from your video if you get more views and get vibes. There are many things here, and you can also come on live with followers or subscriber, and you can generate your revenue to like you can also get a lot of money here through your content. Okay, so we'll see what's about this app. Fanbase is a social media platform that allows users to monetize their content. Welcome to Fanbase. Subscribe from social media. Fanbase is photo, video, audio, live streaming, and all long form content app that lets you monetize your past of gaining subscriber for a month for exclusive content you create. So it's not totally free, you have to pay. And the app is released 2021. Okay, it's not too long, 2 years ago. And we'll see some reviews and ratings, what people actually say about this app. So far so good. I wish there was a little more clarity on how the import from Instagram is going, and some from the notification acknowledgement of errors that I can fix along the way. So here are some positive reviews you can read, and here are some negative reviews like very buggy. I want to like the app, but there are so many bugs. From searching for people to trying to upload videos, I'll come back in a few weeks to see if there are any good updates. But they're supportive. If you face any problem, then you can let them know, they will fix it, they will support you. So it's really good app you can use. Okay friend, today is Noman. Thank you for watching this video.